hello everyone, and welcome back. It's that time of year again. Hunting season is right around the corner. And I'm getting stuff ready for duck hunting today. I've got several things going. I've been inside charging batteries because when I go duck hunting and deer hunting, I use two cameras because I use a different one out in the boat. And I haven't used that. I also use that same camera in my deer stand, and I haven't had to use it for almost a year now, so I've been in there doing that and going through my camera bags and just getting everything ready. And I have to get down into here. I don't know if I have enough of the lamp oil. There's just a few things I might have to buy that I need to check and see. I think I have enough mantles for the lanterns. I'm not sure if I have enough propane and stuff, so it's time to go through things. It's just well, let's see, a week from today we'll be out in the canoe shooting ducks. That's the tarp for over the tent. I thought about buying a new tent this year, but it worked fine last year, so oh good, I need this. I'm lost without this when I'm sitting in the canoe. I like to have this nice soft cushion to sit on. The tent vestibule. I don't need the camouflage roof. That's for the deer stands. In fact, I just ordered 3 more of those for deer hunting this year. Camp kitchen. I think this is the tent floor, which I never use. I do bring it up there though in case we were to get a lot of rain. I could throw this down. I don't need another seat though. I'm good. A maple leaf from duck camp from last year. There's all my mantles. Those are for my double mantle ones. This is the kind here for my single mantle. I should be doing pretty good there. Probably use a few more paper plates, paper cups, I'm good. Plenty of Ziplocs. I think I'll go inside and put some more vegetable oil in this, and this looks a little bit dirty, so I'm going to wash that. And I'll grab a few more paper plates. Let's make sure this is clean. That looks good. I think I have enough foil for baked potatoes. I do have some lamp oil, lighter fluid, everything's looking pretty good out here. You know, before everything was at the hobby farmhouse and all the hunting stuff was above the workshop. So when everything was moved here, I kind of have everything in order. My hardest part, I think, is my camouflage clothes, which I know I put them all in the same place. I just know they're not out here, so I'll track those down. I've got to get shotgun shells loaded. I mean, I have them. I just need to get them packed into my shell bag and get the shotguns out, make sure that they're cleaned, especially my automatic, because that one, or my semi-automatic, that one, you have to clean that trigger mechanism or it'll jam. I drove up here to L&M and got everything I needed. Look at that dirt in there already. Wild rice. Definitely been in a duck boat. The old double barrel, I can run stuff through it and through it and through it, and that the inside of the barrel will not totally clean up, but I mean, she's I got this after my grandfather passed away, and I mean, it's, I don't know, it's made in Italy. It's not an expensive double barrel, but it looks nice and it's priceless to me. And I mean, it has shot a lot of grouse, a lot of ducks. And I mean, even though this isn't my primary duck gun, I do use it for ducks sometimes. One year my shotgun failed and I used just this. And I've probably shot almost as many deer with this gun as I have with the rifle. When I used to hunt on the hobby farmhouse property, I mean, it was just, you just go out and shoot your deer. And you would get so many tags. I think one year I shot 4 or 5 deer. It was just unbelievable. One time I was hunting deer with this gun, and I was sitting in a stand. We called it the dump stand because there was a little spot where years ago it was a, you know, years and years ago it was a farm, and they dumped the junk there. And I'm sitting there and it's snowing like crazy. And I remember I got off of work, I drove over there, and I got out into the deer stand, and I'm sitting there, and I'm not there 15 minutes maybe. And this huge 9-point, just a beautiful buck, comes up. No, a doe came up. First a doe came up, and I'm sitting there, and I'm looking at her, and it's like, well, you know, you could shoot, you could, you know, almost unlimited doe. I think now it is unlimited. Anyway, I shoot the doe. She runs off about maybe 50 feet and drops. And even though she dropped, I'm just waiting my 15 minutes, you know. I'm waiting there trying to calm down. And just doing nothing, looking around. It's snowing. It's really pretty. I mean, it's snowing hard out. And I look up, and there's this huge 9-point buck. I mean, not more than 50 feet away from me. And I hadn't even reloaded I shot the one slug out of this barrel. I still had one in this one. And I looked at it, and in my mind, it was almost like, seriously? And I put up, popped off the safety, squeezed that second trigger. He dropped right in his tracks. That was a great year. Actually, I'm going to look up the name on this because I get that question sometimes. Let's see if I can. So it's a Zabala. Yeah, Z-A-B-A-L-A, but the L-A looks bigger than the other letters. Something Zabala, something SDC. 12 gauge, 3-inch Magnum shells. And it's made in Spain. So that's my grouse gun, probably my all-around favorite gun right here. And the one that I just cleaned before that, my duck hunting one. This one here is a Browning Gold Hunter. 3.5-inch. And I really have not been all that happy with this. Before this one I had a Remington 1100. Loved that gun. Loved it. I should have never got rid of it. It's the only gun I've ever gotten rid of. And yeah, but this one here, just finicky is all. I don't know. I've been wanting to get a new gun. Every year I say I'm going to get a new shotgun, and then it's like, well, this one will be just fine. As long as you keep it clean, you keep pulling the trigger, she'll keep shooting. I don't like pumps, so Sarah shoots a pump. Zachary shoots a pump. My brother Chris shoots a pump. I think Johan shoots a pump. My dad shoots an automatic. I like automatic. Teresa, I think that Teresa shoots an automatic. I'm not sure. When I say automatic, I mean semi-automatic, of course. This is the gun that Sarah shoots right here. This is hers. And when the kids first started out, I had a 20 gauge single shot that I cut the stock off on it so it would fit them better. I still have it. But, and then from there, she got this 12 gauge. This one was a cheapy one. I probably got it at Walmart. I don't know, but it's a Maverick model 88. She loves this gun. I've shot it. I don't care for it because it seems like when it's all open and empty, when you pull the trigger on it, it's like there's a microsecond of a delay before it shoot. I can't explain it. That's what it seems like to me. When I pull the trigger, I expect, bang, just immediately, and it's like there's a tiny bit of a delay with this one. And it's a pump, and she loves it. And like this one here, kicks like a mule. Not as bad as the one that Emily had. I bought one for her that was another cheapy pump, and that thing about rip your arm off. Same with my double barrel. When you put 3-inch magnums in that thing, holy, you better hold on. Yeah, I swear that the double barrel 12 gauge with a 3-inch magnum kicks as bad as my Browning Gold Hunter with a 3.5-inch magnum in it. That you can, yeah, you just a few shots and you're good for the day on that. Sometimes Sarah will have trouble with this one jamming on her, like she'll try to eject the shell and I don't know what happens with it, but I figure a good cleaning is good for everything before waterfall season. The inside of her barrel cleaned up real nice. But this gun is also, I don't know, probably 30 years or more newer than my old double barrel. I can remember as a kid, you know, this week before duck hunting, just hating to go to school, hating to, not being able to sleep, just so excited to get to duck camp. But still, it's just as exciting, just a lot more crap to do. Okay everyone, well thanks a lot for watching. This canoe I think maybe next year could use another redo. Go through all of the fiberglass, sand it down again, strengthen it up. She's an old girl, but she's been a lot of places. I still have a lot of stuff inside I'm packing right now. I did get all the shells situated and I still have to find my camouflage hat. I found my rain jacket that I always wear over my camouflage one that I wear over my my waders when I'm in the canoe, but I have to find my hat. So I'll see you guys on the next video. I found it. Stick it where that's where I always usually keep it. At least I did in my old truck. We're good to go.